Hey everyone, welcome. My name is Jenny Wilson and I'm a doTERRA Diamond Success Coach. And I teach network marketers and small business owners how to profitably use social media workshop funnels to achieve consistent sales. So I just got back from an amazing marketing workshop with one of the top gurus from ClickFunnels, if you've heard of ClickFunnels. His name is Stephen Larson, and I'm excited to be teaching you amazing marketing principles and strategies that you can apply to your business. So my passion is to help top earners in network marketing rank, advance, and grow successful businesses with multiple streams of income. And I'd like to welcome you to the 5th episode of the MLM Workshop Success Training Series. So if this is your first time joining me in one of these training classes, allow me to extend a personal invitation for you to open up a tab, and join us at mymlmlab.com. So mymlmlab.com. And if you've been with us before, I want to thank you for joining me again for another video training session. So before we get started, please put in the comments where you're joining from. I would love to know. So let's get started. Today, we're going to talk about old school network marketing tactics that don't work so well anymore, and the 3 big problems with network marketing today and what to do about them. So first, because of the internet changing, and now this past year because of COVID, when I first started my network marketing, I quickly grew my team using a combination of blogging, home parties, and other strategies recommended by my upline. Now, these were successful for quite a few years, and then social media changed everything. So we adjusted to a certain degree with a kind of hybrid old school and modern way. We started doing both, and it was sucking up all my time. So here's the thing though. It doesn't work to just bring the old school strategies to social media. I spent a bunch of time following this hybrid method, and my results were not that great. So I realized that it's really challenging to make the same connections online that we do in person, right? And in-person sales has gotten harder with COVID. So just spending time promoting our businesses online, it's not going to bring in sales by itself without a strategy or a plan. And doing more of what isn't working still won't work. So after coaching some different network marketing leaders and seeing the industry change dramatically with the rise of internet marketing, I realized that the old school methods of using, home parties wasn't going to work anymore. Doing the same class over and over wasn't going to work anymore. And the hybrid approach that most leaders were teaching wasn't going to work for me and my team. I also observed that many new methods were being practiced and taught by industry leaders. It wasn't necessarily duplicatable for most business builders and teams. So what does work and what is working right now? We have found that online workshops that are modeled after the old school proven home parties, that strategy, but transformed into a new method using social media groups is working. Groups are so powerful right now. Have you noticed that? Like there's groups that are getting lots of people and there's engagement. Anyway, groups are really key. And successfully running a modern business requires business owners to think of marketing and sales in terms of having fun, engaging people in a personal way, but also funneling traffic for conversions. So many people think that modern sales consists of doing social media to get people to sign up for classes or studies in a sort of old school modern hybrid strategy. Now, most of these people are not having much luck with getting people to either sign up or to show up to a lot of these online classes or studies, much less purchase anything when they do. Not many people are doing home parties anymore, and just trying to do them via Zoom, a lot of times it's not working. So we want to make sure that the engagement and the fun factors are there, right? So it's really difficult to make the same connections on social media that you do in person. And just spending time promoting your products online or sending samples is not going to bring in sales without a strategy or plan. And I know because I spent years handing out hundreds of samples without a good follow-up system in place. And like me, many people end up wasting a lot of time and money without many results. So this brings us to the second problem with network marketing, and that is that online sales require funnels, some kind of a funnel to bring people through the customer journey. And these have to be built and installed and maintained, and traditional digital funnels cost money. So it doesn't need to cost us money, right? Modern businesses, we need funnel strategies, and online businesses need online funnels. But unfortunately, our current way of building business, we are the funnels, okay? We are the ones sampling people one by one and handing out individual invites to classes, getting people enrolled one by one, and then supporting them on our own. This is super time intensive, and time is money. So this is actually a really expensive way to build your business. Now, some people, some leaders that I know are choosing to go the ClickFunnels route, which a lot of other top network marketing leaders are doing, okay? But if you've looked into that, you've discovered just how expensive and time consuming and difficult this strategy is to design, create, build, and then maintain. So it's totally not duplicatable. So what do? We as network marketers need funnels other than ourselves to be successful with online sales and get that time freedom that we all want, right? But most of us can't afford a professional digital funnel. So the bottom line is that in order to make consistent sales, we need an online sales funnel system that is duplicatable for our team, especially the newbies that are just getting started. Because any solution we come up with, we also need to train our new builders with it, right? And if it's not duplicatable, it's not going to help us scale our business quickly or easily. So this leads us to the third network marketing problem, which is that many funnel tools are expensive and difficult to use and not easily duplicatable. And they can actually take years to really be profitable with. So if you've ever tried to create a funnel using either ClickFunnels or GrooveFunnels or using ActiveCampaign, Stripe, or any of the online funnel software, you know what I mean. You have to be a tech expert or hire one to build a successful traditional online funnel. So it's also critical to be at least a semi-expert in digital marketing to actually build a successful funnel with a reasonable amount of time and make money with it. So by the time I figured out how to get the most out of these tools, I had spent literally tens of thousands of dollars and over 10 years of online courses, challenges, masterminds. And along the way, I learned that the funnel tools most people try to use are not necessary for our network marketing businesses. They're so expensive to maintain. So the bottom line is there's a better way. And who here feels stuck between the old ways of network marketing and the more modern approach or hybrid? If you've experienced this, just type yes in the chat. So feeling stuck in the old way of network marketing, knowing that there's probably a better way, but every time we try to find it, it's too expensive, it's time consuming, or it's complicated. And you know that what you're trying isn't working, but you don't know how to make it work. So it's not your fault, and you aren't alone. Most network marketing leaders, and maybe even your own upline, are using online funnels for their own business. But they are teaching the old and hybrid methods still. Why? Because they don't know how to duplicate those other things they're doing. Most network marketing company leaders haven't discovered a way to teach funnel strategies so that it's affordable and duplicatable for any size team. So the old network marketing ways just are not working so well anymore. But there are modern, affordable ways to get personal marketing messages in front of a lot more people than we currently are. That's why I started this Facebook group where we can help each other, network marketers. We're tired of slow sales and enrollments. We want to create a consistent, duplicatable social media sales system without spending all day online. So whether you're selling MLM products because you want to cover the cost of using them yourself, you want to earn a little extra money selling them, or you want to achieve financial freedom by building a full-time business and team, there is something here for everyone. So please consider this your personal invitation to join us at My MLM Lab. Don't forget to invite your team members to join this group where they get free training in these awesome modern tools. And you heard me. We are going to help you train your team for free in this group, okay? The link is in the description and the comments, so don't wait to invite them, though. Right now, the group is free, and we might be heading to a paid group soon, so you don't want to miss out on that opportunity, not just for the free training yourself, but also for your team. So, yeah. We've got the answers, and it's working so well. So I hope you join our next training, and I hope you have the great rest of your day, and I will talk with you again soon. Take care.